What's up, Muscle Fam? James here, and today I want to show you guys 3 back exercises, more like 3 supersets that you can incorporate into your back workout. So let's dive into it. First superset is going to be barbell rows and pull-ups, and you're pretty much going to do anywhere from 5 to 10 barbell rows, bent over barbell rows. And you're going to start with the regular grip, and then right after you do 5 to 10 barbell rows, you're going to want to do 5 to 10 chin-ups. So pretty much pull up, but you're reversing your hands. So your hands are facing towards you, and you're going to do 5 to 10 chin-ups. And this is right after you do the barbell rows, no break. Your back should already be tired from the barbell row. And then right after you do your chin-up, you come back to and you're going to do now reverse grip barbell row. Now your hands are facing outward, and this is going to, just like the chin-up, focus more on your biceps, but it's still going to focus on the other part of your back as well. 5 to 10 of those. And after you do 5 to 10 of those, back to the bar, and now you're going to do pull-ups. So pretty much the superset is regular barbell row, chin-ups, reverse grip barbell row, pull-ups. 5 to 10 non-stop, and that would be one set. Alright, so for this next one, we're going to do a lat pull down, cable pull down. You can use any grip on this. I'm using a neutral grip here, close grip, but you can use wide grip, close grip, bar grip, whatever grip you like. Just in the first part of this superset, you're going to have your back straight up, arched, and you're going to come straight down. And then you're going to turn it into a row, and you're going to, as you pull down, just keep your back straight and drop down your back to have your back help you. This is going to help you with your deadlift. So you're going to do 10 to 20 straight up, then 10 to 20 in the row formation, and then go back and do 5 to 10, both of them. All right, and for this next one, we're on the seated cable row. You're going to start off with the regular seated cable row, making sure your back is straight, and you're pulling back and aiming towards your belly button. Not straight to your chest, or as your body would naturally want to do it. You want to pull it straight down to your belly button and squeeze when you get to the very end of it. And after you do 10 to 20 of those, you're going to do lower back extensions. This is another thing that can help you with your deadlift if you're working on your deadlift. So this is just focus on keeping your back straight and your arms straight and just pulling that thing back. And then after you do 10 to 20 of those, we shift it to the upper part of our back, where we're going to be working almost our traps, pretty much our traps. We're doing a shrug, but instead of pulling the dumbbells up to your ears, you're pulling a cable up to your ears. So you pull it back, but at the same time, you're trying to get your shrugs to get up and touch your ears. That is one set. I hope you liked the video. If you want to see more of these videos, just let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep me going, and I appreciate you watching. Hey.